hello everybody, hello you. Welcome to my channel, CreuzArt. I am Jam, and today is the second snowstorm here in the Netherlands, and I'm just going to take you to a little trip in our little town. So, and later I'm just gonna show you a little bit of crocheting. So, I'll see you again later. So we are now at the beach. So this is like what it looks like. It's like it's also with snow, but it's not yet frozen. The temperature is like -4, but because of the wind it feels like -14 or -13. So it's very cold. But it's just, snow is just really magical, but at the same time it's kind of hard to walk, and if you're going with the car it's very slippery. So yeah, let's just enjoy the snow for now. Now we are just walking through the dunes, and that is what it looks like. It is just like little mountains or hills. It looks very, very nice outside. I think we see it here. So yeah. Slouchy hat, as you can see, just for an hour, and now it is already actually getting dark, but we are still at the dunes. So look at this. It is the dunes. It's really just very nice to walk around. experiencing snow for a long time, because we haven't experienced snow, I think, this much since 2014, 13, I guess. I'm not sure anymore. But yeah. Well, guys, again, thank you for watching.